So I've been dicking around. I got spark when I'm cranking, so I know my cam angle sensor is good. I know I have common power to my ballast resistor. I got RB26 injectors, so I have a resistor drop box. But what I wasn't getting was a ground signal from the ECU. And I think my common ground, I think it works kind of like a relay. I think the ECU needs to be grounded, and then it could jump that ground signal to the to the injectors. And the only ground I had, these individual grounds from the harness grounded. I had this one grounded, but I found this guy. I just ohmed him out, and it goes to 107, 108 on the ECU. It splits in the harness into one, and then I trace that bad boy over to here, and then all the way down here, out by the mass airflow sensor on the Z. I think this was bolted to the fender, which also is where it used to get its coil power for the coils from the Z32 relay box. So I figured this might have been a power or something. I wasn't dicking with that yet, but I'm pretty sure if I bolt this to that ground there, I think she's gonna fire. I got good fuel pressure. Hopefully this goes. I gotta be ready to turn it off if it does start up. Oh yeah.